Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is gonna be a shorter video. I just kind of want to update you guys on a few things I ordered today. And it wasn't just for my car neither. I also ordered something for my fiance. So I am pulling up everything on my computer right now to show you guys kind of what's gonna be being done in the next week, 2 weeks. So once this gets pulled up, we'll start going over everything. So my fiance, she actually drives a 2014 Nissan Sentra. It's just a base model, nothing crazy. She's been wanting a new vehicle, but it's probably gonna be another year, maybe 2 years until we're able to get her a new vehicle. So I got her a new radio today. And here in a second, we're gonna go out to her car and inspect it a little bit because I don't know what her speaker setup is. I don't know if it's like a Bose system. I don't know if it's a 4-speaker system or a 6-speaker system. So once I get this pulled up, I'll show you guys what radio I ordered her. Maybe some of you may have ordered this before and used it or still have it. But once this pulls up, we'll go over it. This is what I had ordered for her car. It is a Sony XAV AX1000. Looks pretty nice. It'll be a nice little upgrade for her, something that she could be content with for another couple years until we get her another vehicle. And that's another reason why we need to go inspect, because I want to get her a whole new like speaker system. Like, I don't know if it's a 4-speaker or a 6-speaker, kind of like what we discussed. And this, I'm gonna have to find it whenever I install it. I'm gonna have to find a ground and ground it myself, and I will also have to tie into her park brake cable. So that should not be an issue. It should be fairly simple. From what I've read and what I've watched, this is a great radio. A lot of good reviews. It's Bluetooth. It's pretty like set up like an iPhone, and it has Apple CarPlay, so that's a plus. We both have iPhones. I was trying to talk her into getting like a DVD receiver, but she's not really into like watching movies and stuff. And she was like, if I watch movies while I'm driving, I'm gonna crash or something. So I was like, yeah, definitely not. But maybe whenever we get her a new vehicle, I'll do a little bit better system with DVD and just like subwoofer, all that. My fiance and my daughter just got out of the shower, so when she sees my computer, she's gonna want to come over here. So real quick, before we got there and inspect her speakers, I'm gonna go over what I had ordered for my car, just so we can get that out of the way. I ordered some stuff from Summit. I think there was 3 things I ordered. And then I ordered from VPS. So from what I got from Summit was just an oil pan gasket. It is a Fel Pro. I also ordered a fuel filter, and then I also got a timing belt and water pump kit. And then soon I will be getting next week I will probably be ordering a full gasket kit for the vehicle, along with some motor mounts. Well, motor mounts might have to wait a little bit because I want to get some Sport motor mounts, some real strong ones, and they're currently all sold out. So those are a few things I need for my car right there that we have ordered. And from what I got from VPS, it's pretty sweet. Or VMS, I'm sorry. I got a lightweight crank pulley. Like I said, it was VMS. It's OEM size and everything. It's a 4 rig, and it's exactly what I need because that matches up perfect with my power steering pulley. And oops, it's not letting me pull it up. Okay, this is it right here. 1992 through 95 Civic, single overhead cam, D15. I have a D15B. It is a lightweight aluminum crankshaft pulley. It should help my throttle response a little bit, and also whenever I crank the car up, now that I'll have the right size power steering belt, I won't have like the little power steering squeal whenever I crank it up on a cold start. I'm really excited to get this thing. It looks super nice, and I actually ordered this yesterday because almost everything on this VMS racing website for Honda D series is like completely sold out. So I hurried up and bought this yesterday. and I am ecstatic to get it. Now that we have gone over that real quick, we're gonna run up to her car, see what her speaker setup looks like, and that's gonna be it for today's video. Another boring video, I'm sorry, but got some stuff in the mix, guys. Trying to make some stuff happen. There's the old Hanski. Big plans for you, baby. And this is her little Sentra. We're gonna inspect really quick just to see what's going on. Alright, so they're not Bose systems, there's one speaker there, so there's 2, 3, 4, and then there should be 2, yep, 5, 6. Okay, so there's a 6 speaker setup, that's all I needed to know. So, to get her radio in, I will be browsing some speakers to get. If you guys recommend any, speakers from Crutchfield, I would, that would be quite helpful for me. Crazy girl just got out of the shower. And I also did some research on those brakes I got, and they do not come with braided lines. I could probably just find some like cheap braided lines, but I might just run what I have. So probably this weekend I'll be throwing those brakes on, put some actual footage up for you guys, and then all those other parts should be coming in here soon. And whenever all those other parts come in, we'll do a open box and start going through a little bit of everything, and planning on what we do first. I know for that crank pulley and getting that power steering belt, it's gonna have to wait a little longer. I need to get that crank pulley tool, that little socket. You wanna get down? There you go. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say love you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
So I wanna thank you guys for watching the video today. Sorry it was boring again, but like I said, we got some stuff on the way. And see you guys in the next video.